The Greeks said, the steps you take to avoid your fate are the very steps that lead you to it. For years, I thought I'd beaten mine. There's a story of a nest of 3 birds. While one bird stayed, protecting it, and another was kicked out, left to fall. One left. It flew higher than anyone thought it could. It chose to leave. It chose to fly. Just to crash and burn. I told myself I'd never come back. But every step I took brought me closer to this moment. Back to Mega. Back to home. You can't escape your fate. You accept it. And now, I'm ready to finish what I started.